Home service businesses lose calls because their site doesn't build trust fast. A lot of home service websites lose potential clients simply because they don't build trust fast enough. That's where Aurix Home comes in, my second framer template built for home service businesses. Let's walk you through the template. This is the preloader and this is the hero section, fully responsive. Along with the menu, moving on, I made a bento grid for trust and credibility. Next up is a ticker showing client logos. Then we have the Our Services section built in an accordion style. Inside each accordion item, I used a ticker to show the related work. Moving on, this is the Our Project section, fully CMS powered. Everything pulls straight from the CMS. Next is the testimonial section. I built a custom slider for this. After that is the how it works section, where each step is shown using cards. Each card has a background with a mask effect done entirely without code, and honestly, this took the most time to get it right. Next is the FAQ section. Then the blog section, again powered by CMS. And finally, the footer. Now let me show you the other pages. I added page transitions when moving from one page to another. This is the About Us page. This is the projects page. Where I added a filter by category to show different projects. This is the blog page. And this is the contact page with a working contact form. Finally, I built a custom 404 page. Grab the template using the purchase link in the description. And if you're curious how I built any specific effect like that mask animation or the accordion, let me know in the comments and I'll break down the technique in a future video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Your support means a lot to me and it's what keeps the channel going. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you very soon with a new tutorial inshallah. Take care and I'll catch you in the next video.